So friends, in this video we'll look at ion, cation and anion. We'll try to understand the meaning of these terms. So if you take any atom or say molecule, let's say sodium and oxygen 2. So sodium is an atom, right? And O2 is a molecule. So they are neutral. Okay. What it means is that number of protons and number of electrons is equal. So sodium has 11 protons and 11 electrons. So you can see that the sodium is neutral, and same way oxygen molecule is also neutral. So from the sodium, if we take out one electron, then what will happen is that there will be 11 protons and 10 electrons left in the sodium atom. And that's why sodium will become positively charged because there are more positive particles, that is positive protons are there, 11 protons and 10 electrons. That's why sodium will become positively charged, Na plus we say it, and that is called as cation. So you can remember it using this letter T. So T stands for plus, cation. So Na plus is basically a cation. And if you look at the chlorine, if we add one electron inside the chlorine, what will happen is that there will be more electrons than the protons, and that's why this chlorine becomes negatively charged, and that is called as anion. So whenever atom or the molecule has a net electric charge, we call it ion, and it can be cation or anion. So if it is a positively charged, then we say it is a cation. If it is a negatively charged, we call it anion. So both are ions basically. So we took examples of these atoms. Now let us look at the example of molecule as well. So same concept applies for the molecule as well. So oxygen molecule is neutral by default. But what will happen if we take out one electron from the oxygen molecule? So obviously when we take one electron outside of the molecule, this oxygen molecule will become positively charged. So it will fall under cation category, right? So plus means cation. So as you can see, this concept applies to atoms, or we can say elements, as well as molecules. So just remember this thing, ion is basically an atom or molecule with different number of protons and electrons. Thanks for watching.